Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2096 code? This code means your engine is running to lean on bank 1 after the catalytic converter. If you ignore this problem, it can reduce engine performance, increase emissions, and even damage your catalytic converter over time. P2096 stands for Post-Catalyst Fuel Trim System to Lean, Bank 1. In simple language, the ECU has detected that after the catalytic converter, the oxygen sensor is reporting too much oxygen in the exhaust on bank 1. This means the engine is either not getting enough fuel or there's extra air entering the system. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, weak acceleration, hesitation while driving, poor fuel economy, and sometimes engine misfire. In severe cases, you may notice a lack of power during highway driving. Now the most important part, sensor and component locations. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is located. The key component involved here is the downstream oxygen sensor, also called obd2 sensor on bank 1. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter in the exhaust pipe. You will find it mounted directly on the exhaust system behind the catalytic converter. The upstream oxygen sensor 1 is located before the catalytic converter and also plays an important role. The wiring harness for these sensors runs under the vehicle along the exhaust system and connects to the ECU. For proper diagnosis, start by checking live fuel trim data using an obd2 scanner. Inspect for vacuum leaks around the intake manifold, throttle body, and PCV hoses. Check the exhaust system for leaks before or near the oxygen sensor. Inspect the downstream obd2 sensor connector for damage or corrosion. Also verify fuel pressure and injector performance. Common causes include vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, weak fuel pump, clogged fuel injectors, faulty downstream oxygen sensor, or even a failing catalytic converter. Finally, repair any leaks, replace faulty oxygen sensors if required, clear the code, and perform a full drive cycle test. Fixing P2096 on time will restore proper air-fuel balance and protect your catalytic converter.